At Totaline, we've made it quick and easy to find the exact aftermarket replacement parts you need. Just use our selection and cross-reference guides at partscenter.totaline.com. You'll find guides for compressors, motors, filter bases, filter dryers, combustion parts, electric heaters, line sets, oils, run capacitors, and zoning. Click on any one of the product families and you're on your way. For most products, there are two ways to search. In the cross-reference field, simply enter the information for the original part. And there's your Totaline replacement part. Or use the Selection Criteria section and choose the correct values from the drop-down menus. Now that's easy. Remember, no matter what aftermarket part you need, there's always an option with Totaline. Choose the right parts quickly, easily, and accurately with our powerful selection and cross-reference guides at partscenter.totaline.com.